Okay, this is the G6BA engine, 6-cylinder. Came out of a 2005 GLS 2.7 liter Hyundai Tucson. The water pump failed and the timing belt snapped and bent all the valves. If you can see the marks. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is just to show you the timing, which pistons work with which piston. This is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as you rotate this, 1 goes down, 2 comes up, 3, 4, 5 comes up. And then let me just shut up and have you guys watch this. It's pretty cool, huh? Alright. That's it.